Hello all, Tony here from Carton Cloud with another one of Tony's tips. One thing I see constantly is times where people have set up a customer or set up products and they're requiring expiry. Even though they know, for instance, for a solar panel company, they don't need expiry dates on. So where people go wrong here is they forget to go in and turn off the expiry for certain customers and turn it on for others. Now it's on by default. So if I go into Carton Cloud and go to Contacts, Customers, and I see here I've got the solar panel company. So if I go into the solar panel company and I go down the bottom to hit Edit, and I go to Warehouse Management and Purchase Order Products, I can see up the top here that I've got expiry date is required. Now, obviously for these guys, I don't need it. So I'm going to turn that off, and I'm going to turn off the retain expiry date. So then if I scroll down the bottom and hit Save, that's going to fix this one. Now, the reason I picked this up is because I'll be going through people's stock on hands and I'll actually see that there's expiry dates in places, for products where they shouldn't be. And of course, what happens is, people going through and keying in, they hit a roadblock and it says that they want an expiry. So they just put an expiry date a year ahead. Well, a year down the track, it causes all end of concern. Another thing we've done is if I go to Warehouse Products and I go to Add a Product, as I scroll on down, we'll see the stock selection method. Now, the stock selection method used to always be in by default as FIFO, being first expiry, first out. So we've actually now changed that and we've removed that. So therefore, the user has to go in and actually select which stock selection they need, whether it's first expiry, first in, first out, or last in, first out. Now, a lot of people ask me, what is last in, first out used for? Well, it can be really helpful when you've got stock which is put up against a back wall of a shed, for instance. And in actual fact, you can't do the stock rotation because it's all the way at the back. So it's actually the last product or the last pallet which you want to take out. But anyway, if you need any more help with that, you can always get in contact with us at support@cartoncloud.com.au. Cheers.